How to find someone on Instagram without knowing their name. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily find someone on Instagram without actually knowing their name. So first thing, what you want to do is simply head over to your search bar and just click on search, and from over here you just have to click on the name of the places. For example, I would select California and just click on search. As you can see, Instagram also knows that it's a name of place, and from over here what you can do is simply click on this accounts, and you can find multiple accounts related to the California. But what you can actually do is simply click on this text, and you just have to click on any of the text. So you will be seeing a lot of people who are using the tags related to the California, and you can just find out the people using such tags and simply follow them just like this, or do any sort of things that you want to do. So that is how you can easily find someone on Instagram without actually knowing their name. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.